Good morning, students. So many students were asking me to give markings of household circuit, but I told them that I cannot give you markings because in physics, each and everything from any corner of the chapter can be asked in the exam, and physics paper are getting difficult day by day. So still to guide you something on how to learn the chapter and how to learn the other chapters also, I've made this small video. See, in the starting, this part here in this page, you have to only learn. I'm saying learn this flow chart, okay, along with these values. And this part you have to read it thoroughly to understand that what is the use of step up transformer, what is the use of step down transformer, where it is step down from 32 to 33, and only so this part is to read. This is to be learned, okay, properly. They won't ask you to draw this diagram in exam, okay, but they may ask you what happens and at the intermediate substation, or what happens at the grid substation, like this, okay. They won't ask you to draw the diagram because the questions are of 1 mark and 2 marks only. Then this same diagram is given in the form of flow chart here, so you can just go through this flow chart also. Now power distribution to a house, this entire part, read it thoroughly, okay, just read it thoroughly because everything is covered in the second part of the chapter. What is wires, fuse wire, live wire, everything is covered in the second part of the chapter. Here there is one thing important, ECLBs, okay, so you have to learn these last few lines of the chapter about ECLBs, about ELCB, I'm sorry, ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker, okay. Read this part. Then this diagram is important. Your ring system is very important, okay, and this paragraph is also important. Learn it. Advantages, connection to all appliance, advantages, disadvantages of parallel and series. This entire page is very important. You have to learn everything here, okay. Then there are these examples here. After the theory, these some solved questions are there. You have to do them, you have to learn them, okay. Then we have then we start with fuse. Here you have to understand the definition of fuse, this blue box. Then this part is not important, this derivation formulas are not important, just skip them. Example is important, material of fuse is very important, star mark, okay. This entire paragraph, the copper aluminum wire, why it is not used, this paragraph, entire paragraph is important. Then construction, just read the construction, read the working, okay, read. This diagram is important, this diagram may come in exam. Then this diagram, cartridge type fuse, may come in exam, and these diagrams may come in exam. Reason for connecting the fuse in live wire, important question, okay, they may ask you this question. Then current rating of the fuse, read this and learn this formula, okay. Diagrams are important, these diagram and these two diagrams are all important. Read this note. An indirect question may come from this note, okay, indirect question, so read it and understand it. MCB, very important, you have to study the entire paragraph of MCB. This blue box switch is important. Then single pole switch important, double pole, everything is to be studied. Again, reason for connecting switch wire in live, switch in the live wire, this paragraph. See, you have to read this paragraph and write the answer in your own words, okay, because they have just explained the process here, so you have to read it and learn it in your own words. Here this switch, both diagrams are important. Read this working, reading, diagram important. Safety precaution, learn the safety precaution. Then this part I had skipped in the explanation, but in the marking, this diagram is important, okay, and this diagram is very important, okay. We haven't done this, but just mark it, later on we'll do it. Local earthing is important, very important. In fact, learn this paragraph, this local earthing. This last few lines are very important. Okay, from the plate is surrounded by the mixture of charcoal. Learn this. Okay, learn it. Diagram, very important. Learn the diagram. Safety, local. Learn this point. Learn earthing of an appliance also. Learn the diagram. So earthing, everything is important in earthing. Okay, then read this note. Read this paragraph also, safety by earthing of an appliance, that how earthing gives us safety. Okay, read it. They may ask you a simple 1 or 2 mark question, so you can explain in your own words, but read this. 3-pin plug, the diagram is important. Then this paragraph, very important. Why the pin is thick, why it is splitted, why it is long, all the reasons are given here, very important. Then sometimes 2-pin plug is used in appliance, note is also important. Socket diagram is important. And this is important, safety precaution. Old convention, new convention, both you can learn it from the table. High tension wires, very important. Full paragraph, nothing should be skipped here. And safety precautions, they are explained in a very lengthy manner, but you can learn it in concise. You can write it in your own words. These basic points are important, and here they have given a few points to avoid it. To avoid electric shocks, 5 wire must be, the 5 points are given. So these 5 points are important here. Okay, and just to read these 2 points, safety precaution for electrical appliance. Okay, that's it for the chapter. And notes are also very important. I have told you in notes a lot of things are covered in the form of questions and answers. So those who have not started with notes, read the chapter, learn the chapter, and then do the notes also. Questions will come from both notes and textbook. Thank you.